Founded in 1972, MCT draws on a long history of innovation to provide semiconductor back-end capital equipment to the semiconductor industry's top manufacturers. MCT is an American company that is proudly held by management and its employees. MCT has been building strip test handlers and laser markers since 1998 and is today the worldwide leader in strip testing, a technology that is fundamental to reducing the cost of test in the IC industry. Today, our mission is to reduce the cost of IC testing for semiconductor manufacturers so that they can meet the demanding needs of our industry. MCT's strip test products are used to help lower the cost of tests for the IC industry's most popular package types. The company sells 3 different products: the SH family of strip test handlers for testing most leaded packages such as SOIC, TSSOP, and QFP. The FH1200 for testing QFN and DFN devices mounted on wafer rings in strip format, and the MH3000 laser mark handler, which is used for laser marking devices in both assembly and test operations. We are the acknowledged leader in strip testing and have the broadest and most advanced strip test product offerings of any test handler company. MCT sells and services its products worldwide to the world's leading IDMs and OSAT subcontractors. We are headquartered in Minneapolis, Minnesota, with an operations center in Penang, Malaysia, and have representatives and offices across Asia and Europe. To learn more about MCT and our products, visit our website or contact us directly for more information. MCT, your partner in strip testing.